And then I
I
think,
didn't even know Ultimate was a thing last year.
oh really? And then I don't think it was as expensive as last year.
Last year was more expensive?
No, last year I think it was like around 600. I think. So how did you find out about it?
A couple of my friends came last year, and I saw them talking about it, and I was like, how you into this and didn't tell me?
And you're like, what is that? So did you come here by yourself this time or your friends?
Yeah, I came by myself.
You can kind of lay the flowers down like this and just take the band off. You can.
Are you gonna stay the whole week?
No, I'm leaving tomorrow after my workshop.
Here's a bin for your stems.
Oh, perfect.
Yeah,
Thank
no problem.
So basically, I'll give you a little background. I feel like I'm going to be really repetitive, so if you guys hear the same bio over and over, just like get it. Okay, I get it. So my name's Claire. I work for a company called Sunshine Bouquet. I just launched
This
my
one,
own
like, to
branding company.
ooh, look at her, so.
Which is a partnership with them. We sell flowers to supermarkets across the country. So we have our own
She's
farm
very
in
pretty.
South America, and we work with a lot of different growers.
And I have no idea what I'm doing, but
Mine's so, I don't know. She's so fluffy.
Like my mission to just
Do you take
educate
these
people
off?
on flowers and tell
I
you
thought
guys a
that's how it
story
was.
about where flowers come from when you go to the supermarket, how you condition them, things like that. So that's what I'm doing with this brand. But so you guys have a bouquet that has a lot of different texture in it, and I'll walk you through the 4 different types and characteristics of flowers. There's form, which I always say is like the funky flower, and those would be the scabiosa in here, which kind of do their own thing. Like calla lilies are also a fun flower.
Did you
They're
take this
different.
class?
They're unique flowers.
I haven't placed it in yet.
You have fillers, which are exactly. They fill in the flowers. It's pretty self-explanatory for that one. Yep, exactly. Yep, you got it. So the hypericum berry in here, the peach berries are also considered a filler, but also a botanical because of the texture and because they are a berry. Then you have lime flowers, which again, self-explanatory, the flowers that are a lime, which would be the stuff here. The items that give your arrangement height if you want there to be height. Exactly, the stock right there. And then you have your mass flowers, and those are your like core flowers that kind of create the grid for a design, and that would be like your green ball dianthus and your hydrangea here that took up the most space. All right. So I always say you can start with the mass flowers if you want to create a grid, and also you can be super creative and go with your personality. If you want a tall arrangement, go for it. If you want something that's like a pomade style, low and clustered, again, go for it. So a grid is just like anything for your flowers to be held in. So you'll see in her arrangement, she put in like her hydrangea, like green ball dianthus, and that makes it easier to put your smaller flowers in and holds it in place a little bit more. I love that you're like building it in your hands, because I do that too. And there's like a lot of different ways you can design. And so if I'm doing something, I do both ways. But
I haven't even posted mine.
the straws, yeah. So the straws are great for
It's not on the table.
and girders tend to bend over really fast, so the straw just kind of holds them anchored.
Yo no
them
tengo
up, so you
flores
see
en
the
el-
full, face of that flower. Also, another key point is to make sure you strip your foliage, and any foliage that's going to hit the water line, because that will create bacteria and it will lessen the base life of the flowers. So when you're designing, if you're doing in hand, just make sure before you cut it to strip the leaves at the bottom so they don't sit in the water. Yep, exactly. That's the floral. That's a foliage, and it's so, I love it because it's like feathery and cascadey. Yeah. So yeah, just go for it, guys. Have fun.
Thank you.
Yeah, absolutely. And if you have questions on varieties or anything like that, just ask me.
You guys are doing great.
Thank you.
Yeah, I love this. It's like everyone's personality. I love
Yeah,
it.
everyone's different.
Love it, love it. Hi, how are you? Oh, perfect. Perfect. Oh, that's wonderful. Everyone needs that. Yeah. Yeah. We're pretty busy. I'm careful that I'm here. Sorry. Oh, no, you're fine. I've taken a few. Okay, cool. And my friends
Ooh, that sounds great.
¿Ahorita me tomas un boomerang? ¿Qué dijo?
No, mentira, eso es una flor.
Dame tu teléfono para tomarte una foto. This is like therapeutic. No, that's good. Otra. Do you want me to take your picture? Oh, you holding it?
Picture too. You
Oh,
keep designing.
okay, thank you.
Let me be useful here.
No. It's so nice. What did you do with this one? ¿Lo quitaste eso?
No todo. I have three, so I like.
Another anchor, and then tell me your name again. Lynn. I was telling Lynn before the foliage also helps a lot. So you have ruscus here, which are these guys, and then Floral, which also helps to kind of like anchor things in around. And and the only time I really don't is if there's a little damage, or they're going to hit the water line. Okay. But the hydrangea leaves are so beautiful. So you can actually, yes, they absorb from the top and the bottom. So you'll find a lot in like, I did events and weddings before I joined the mass market world. And we used to spritz the hydrangeas all the time from the top and even lay like wet paper towels or towels on top of them the night before. Yeah. And then just to keep them going. Yep. What do you guys do? Oh, cool.
You guys are welcome to leave your arrangements here and then come back and get them after a while. So you don't have to carry them around with you. If you want to like write your name like on the bottom maybe of your, and obviously take as much time as you need. No, no rush. Of course.
How about you?
I just put my dog.
Okay. Congrats.
Sola se abre más.
I mean, like, good.
Inspiring.
I was working for a marketing company. Okay. Restaurants for hospitality. But I want my own thing. Nice. Yeah. Everyone, so if you guys want, everyone's gonna have you can write your name on the bottom of it if you don't want to carry it around all day. If you're not going back to your room, we'll just like line them up against the wall so you can go back later if you want. Do you want to carry it around? Go for it. Whatever you guys want. Beautiful. Yeah. So is this everyone's first alt summit, or have you attended before?
First one.
First two. Nice.
It's really cool that they do this.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I've met a lot of good people so far. It's kind of interesting, and everyone's so friendly.
Yeah.
So welcoming. Were you guys all at the keynote?
Yeah.
How did you like it? Good?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. We were kind of like,
Everyone just like stormed the door, put it open. I was like, whoa, whoa, whoa.
We were the ones running.
I know, they should have like maybe like yeah, the next
had on the monitors, which was weird. I was like,
was
what's the
very
purpose
I
of
know,
the
yes.
monitors?
to save Magnolia.
Right.
Like, yeah, I was like, that was a waste of AD.
Yeah, I
Oh,
thought
this is
Maybe
expensive.
it's expensive, yeah.
Yeah.